Hey, it's AJ here. If you're like me and you've battled knee pain for most of your life and you'd wish you'd used knee pads earlier in your career, ToughBuilt have got a massive range of knee pads that'll suit any trade or any function. Let's go through the range. Starting at the top of the range is the gel fit thigh support knee pad. So this one, gel fit inside here, it houses the knee perfectly and it attaches to the top of the thigh and also to the back of the calf. The advantage of that is you don't have the strap directly behind your knee, which makes it really comfortable. This is the knee pad that you would wear 24/7. You would use it all day, every day. The platform at the bottom of the knee pad here also raises the shins off the ground, taking the pressure off your ankle. Next in line is the gel fit snap shell series. You've got very heavy duty straps at the back, which are nice and wide, which don't pressure point right behind the back of your knee. The advantage of the snap shell series is that you've got 4 different interchangeable faces that you can use. So without a face on the front of it, it's a hard wearing nylon, perfect for smoother surfaces with a little bit of give, but not so great for rough surfaces like concrete because you'll wear that out pretty quickly. So the next option in the snap shell series is the rocker. This is hardened plastic and this is perfect for rough surfaces like decking or concrete. It's not going to wear excessively. You can see that I've already used this one quite extensively and there's hardly any damage at all. The next snap shell in the range is the non-marring snap shell, and this one here is perfect for sensitive surfaces like polished floorboards or polished tiles, polished concrete, anything where you don't want to leave a mark. It does give you the flexibility of moving from side to side, but it is a little bit grippier and it's a rubber face. The next snap shell in the range is the stabilizer, and this is designed to keep you really secure. It offers a huge footprint to keep you grounded, and it's perfect for jobs where you might need to reach a little bit further in front of you. So things like tiling, working with floorboards, and you know you're not going to slip. So the last knee pad in the range is the foam fit waterproof. So it's a foam fit insert instead of a gel fit, a single strap. It's perfect for around the house, especially gardening where you don't want to get your pants wet. Learn from my mistakes, a good knee pad is definitely worth the investment.